Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and so this is using the Your Creative Studio August stationery kit, and I love my little project. So I used some of my coffee stain paper and envelope just to make kind of a little journal pack where you can keep, like I've got a notepad, an envelope, and I will just show you what I did. So this is a Martha Stewart punch, just to give a little decorative edge on here. These are just a couple of scraps of lace with, I think those were Tim Holtz, I believe. And then this, I think I got this from Rose King in a little pack of flowers and branches and leaves. So I pulled out a page from an old, it's an old catalog that they used to send out from Europe to the US so that people could get an idea of what music and plays and writings, everything was going on. So this is just a photo from scene from Flying Dutchman. Oh, this is the Met Opera in New York. Anyways, I just did a little bit of collaging. This is some of the musicians, so I just kind of collaged over that just to left the pictures, but gave it just some interest. So these are all pieces that I either pulled from the music sheets or the book or the stickers that Amanda sent. And then it just gets folded, goes back in here. And then here's some of the stickers from this book that she sent. I try to keep it kind of music, like a piano, a Victrola, and just a play or whatever. And then on the back, I put this really awesome window envelope I received a while ago. And I coffee stained these too. I just covered the barcode with some of the little washi tape she sent. This is cut from a piece of the sticker paper, which is really cool. Then I made a little notebook from another piece of my coffee stain paper and just added one of the light bulbs, so kind of like an idea book, and then a little scrap of the music paper and some of my eyelet that I had. And then I included her definition of music. And I also made a little envelope and sealed it with a sticker. And I included a little booklet like of some of the music paper, just a cute little picture. And then some of the wine stickers. So there's my little journal project. And this you can, you could easily stick this in a tin, tape it down or whatever. Or just leave it as is and use it just kind of for an idea notebook on your desk. I also stamped the musicians here and then used some of these stickers. Sorry about that, because this is actually a separate piece of music. So, thanks so much for watching. Go check out Amanda's website. I've got the links for everything down below. And her kits go fast, so kind of stay on top of it if you're interested in getting one of them. You can either get it monthly, whenever you want, or you can get a 4-month subscription that she'll send out automatically. Thanks so much, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you later. Bye.